Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. As we journey through life, the quest for healthy aging becomes increasingly essential. Today, we're diving into the world of home remedies and vitamins that can help us age gracefully. Natural remedies have been cherished for centuries, offering a holistic approach to wellness that supports our bodies as they change over time. We can enhance our vitality and overall health by incorporating simple, practical solutions into our daily routines. One standout remedy that has gained popularity is golden milk, a delightful blend of turmeric, milk, and spices. This golden elixir is delicious and packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can help combat the signs of aging. Imagine sipping on a warm cup of golden milk, knowing you're nourishing your body from the inside out. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of crucial vitamins in maintaining our health as we age. From boosting our immune system to supporting skin elasticity, these vitamins are essential allies in our journey toward longevity. But it doesn't stop there. We'll also share a simple natural recipe for golden milk that you can quickly whip up at home. It's a fantastic way to incorporate these powerful ingredients into your diet without fuss. So, if you're ready to discover how easy and effective home remedies can promote healthy aging, stick around. Let's unlock the secrets to a vibrant, youthful life together. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Home remedies and vitamins for healthy aging. Our bodies require extra care and attention to maintain vitality and an overall health as we age. One of the best ways to support healthy aging is by incorporating specific vitamins and home remedies into our daily routines. Let's explore some key players that can make a significant difference. The first is vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin. This essential nutrient is crucial in bone health, immune function, and mood regulation. As we age, our bodies may struggle to absorb vitamin D from sunlight, making supplementation or dietary sources like fatty fish and fortified foods vital for maintaining optimal levels. Next, we have omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish oil and flax seeds. These healthy fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce the risk of heart disease, joint pain, and cognitive decline. Incorporating omega-3 rich foods into your diet can be a game changer for aging gracefully. Now, let's talk about some powerful home remedies. With its active compound, curcumin, turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Adding turmeric to your meals or enjoying it in golden milk can enhance your overall health and combat age-related ailments. Another fantastic remedy is green tea, which is packed with antioxidants called catechins. Regular consumption of green tea can improve brain function, boost metabolism, and even promote healthy skin. By embracing these vitamins and home remedies, you can enhance your vitality and reduce the impact of age-related issues, paving the way for a healthier, more vibrant life. Golden milk, an easy drink with multiple benefits. Golden milk, a warm and comforting beverage, is delicious and packed with health benefits, making it a perfect addition to your daily routine. The star ingredient of this drink is turmeric, known for its vibrant yellow color and potent anti-inflammatory properties. Combined with coconut milk, which adds a creamy texture and healthy fats, golden milk becomes a nourishing treat that your body will love. To prepare golden milk, you'll need a few simple ingredients. 1 cup of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Black pepper is essential as it enhances curcumin's absorption, an active turmeric compound that provides health benefits. You can also add a sprinkle of cinnamon for extra flavor and health perks. The health benefits of golden milk are impressive. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce chronic pain and inflammation, making it an excellent choice for those dealing with arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. Additionally, the antioxidants found in turmeric and coconut milk can support your immune system and promote overall wellness. Incorporating golden milk into your daily routine is easy and rewarding. Whether you enjoy it in the morning as a soothing start to your day or as a calming evening ritual, This drink can help improve your health and vitality. So why not give golden milk a try? Your body will thank you for it. The benefits of a natural recipe with lemon, garlic, honey, ginger, and apple cider vinegar. In the quest for better health, a natural recipe combining lemon, garlic, honey, ginger, and apple cider vinegar can be a powerhouse of benefits. Each ingredient brings unique properties to enhance your well-being and support your body's natural defenses. Starting with lemon and ginger, which are known for their immune-boosting and digestive benefits. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which is essential for a strong immune system, while ginger aids digestion and can help alleviate nausea. Together, they create a refreshing blend that tastes great, supports your body's ability to fend off illness, and promotes healthy digestion. Garlic is another remarkable ingredient in this recipe, renowned for its antibacterial and antiviral properties. It contains allicin, a compound that can help fight infections and support heart health. Incorporating garlic into your diet can be a simple, yet effective way to enhance your immune response and overall health. Honey, often called nature's sweetener, is delicious and has numerous health benefits. It possesses antimicrobial properties and can soothe sore throats, making it a perfect addition to this recipe. Plus, honey adds a touch of sweetness that balances the flavors beautifully. Lastly, apple cider vinegar is crucial in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Studies suggest it can improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar spikes after meals. Combining these potent ingredients into a natural recipe can create a health-boosting elixir that supports immunity, digestion, and overall wellness. Embrace the simple yet effective blend for a healthier you. Home remedies and vitamins for healthy aging. These natural solutions can play a vital role in enhancing our well-being as we grow older. By incorporating specific vitamins and remedies into our daily routines, we can support our bodies and promote a healthier, more vibrant life. We've highlighted the incredible benefits of golden milk, a delicious drink that combines turmeric, coconut milk, and spices to provide anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This simple yet powerful beverage can be a delightful addition to your day, helping to boost your immune system and improve your overall health. Additionally, we discussed a natural recipe featuring lemon, garlic, honey, ginger, and apple cider vinegar, which offers many benefits, from boosting immunity to maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Now that you're equipped with these valuable insights, we encourage you to take action. Consider incorporating golden milk and the natural recipe into your routine for a tasty way to support your health. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like it, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these tips. We're committed to bringing you more engaging and informative content on healthy living, so be sure to explore our channel for additional recipes, remedies, and wellness advice. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward healthy aging, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.